guys, hope you've all had a great week. Hope you enjoyed making the Rocky Road, and thank you so much to all of you who WhatsApp me photos of your Rocky Roads. They looked amazing and so delicious. So today we're going to make another chocolatey treat, and that's Oreo Balls. And the great thing about Oreo Balls is you only need 3 ingredients. 2 packets of Oreos, 200 grams of cream cheese, 350 grams of milk and dark chocolate. So let's get started. I've already washed my hands really well. So the first thing that we need to do is I'm going to blitz the Oreos so that they are in crumbs. Now, if you don't have a food processor like this small one, that's no problem. You can literally just bash the Oreos in the packet off the countertop, or you can use a wooden spoon to crush them. If you want to put them into a bag and crush them that way, it's much easier. For me, this is the quick way, and because I have a food processor, I'm just going to pour them in here. Often when I make Oreo balls, I like to add crunchies in as well, just because I love crunchies so much. And any of you mammies and grannies who were on my course in Scaluna Natha last year will know that I try to put crunchies into everything. They're a nice addition, but I don't have them today. So I'm going to blitz these Oreos. So here you have it. Nice crushed up Oreos. Okay, so next I'm going to pour the crushed Oreos into my glass bowl. Next, I take my cream cheese. And if you don't like cream cheese, that's okay. You won't really taste it when it's in the Oreo ball. It'll just taste like chocolate. So don't be put off. Okay, so next I need to roll them into the balls. So I have a plate here. I'm going to spoon a little bit of mixture, and it's quite sticky now, but I'm going to spoon a little bit into the palm of my hand. It's probably a bit too much, and it's very, very sticky. But I'm going to roll it up. Okay, it will be dirty and messy, but don't worry, stick with it. So there's my ball. I'm going to pop it on the plate. So it's been about 2 hours. Now I had to put these into the freezer for a little bit to speed up the process, but they're nice and hard now, so they're ready to be coated in chocolate. So what I have to do is to I need to melt the chocolate now. You can do this in the microwave. My preferred way to melt chocolate is putting boiling water into a saucepan and placing the chocolate in a bowl. Okay, so the chocolate is nicely melted now. So I'm going to lift it off that. You drop the Oreo ball into the chocolate. Use a spoon to help you mix it around, and then pop it back onto the plate. Okay, so here I have them finished, the coating of chocolate finished. Even have a little bit of chocolate left over to enjoy. And similar to last week, I've melted a little bit of white chocolate just to make them a little bit fancy on top. They're going to go back into the fridge and harden for about another 30-40 minutes. And then we'll have a taste test. Okay guys, so they're done. just taking them out of the fridge. They might still be a little bit soft, but I'll show you the next part. And you don't want them to be too hard. If you leave them overnight, which you can do, the next morning when you take them out, make sure you give them a little bit of time before you try to take them off the plate, because they'll be a little bit stuck. Okay, take them off like that. I'm going to taste one now so you can see what's inside. They're very rich and delicious. I probably have chocolate all over my teeth. But give them a try this week, guys. And same as last week, if you make them, WhatsApp me a photograph of them. I'd be delighted to see them. And enjoy!